Binary card. All you have to do is say stop anytime you want, okay? Like say stop.
Stop.
And let me get this card. Okay, look at the card.
Show us your card, please.
Alright. Queen of Diamonds. Okay. Queen of Diamonds. Okay, this time I have here a card holder. Okay. You see card? Okay. The other side.
Show it here in the camera, please.
Alright. When I put the card at the back of the card holder, everybody can see. And also inside the card holder. Okay. And I have here empty box. Anything inside?
No.
Yeah, it's
Anything
empty.
inside? Empty. Okay, this is the Queen of Diamonds. This is your chosen card. Okay, from here, I transfer this card from here, going here inside the box. Okay. Ready. Remember, this is the card, Queen of Diamonds. From here, transfer here inside the box, and I close the box. And, okay. Remember, this is the front, and this is the back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Empty box, card holder, and card. 1, 2. Got it on like this?
Show it here, please. Can we see the box? Is it empty?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's empty.
Alright. Open the
Where did the card go?
Open the box. Open the box. Get the box. And then open. And then get the card.
Can you show us? Is it the card?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
And
It goes back to the holder.
take it.